Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi connection slow after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First solution, you have toggle airplane mode on and off. If you are using the cellular data but iPhone internet is too slow to even load a picture, seeking help from toggling airplane mode on and off might work. So you have open the setting, click on airplane mode, turn on and off 10 to 5 to 10 seconds. However, every time you do so, please give it time to search for better signal, and if it does not work, try to 3 or 4 times and wait potentially for it to respond. Then second solution, you have turn off background app refresh. If this feature is enabled, it means your iPhone will keep updating the latest content under Wi-Fi or cellular connection. It if goes on for long time, your iPhone may be packed with tons of information which is unable to run smoothly for lack of enough storage space, thus preventing the network to run at normal speed. Therefore, it's not necessary for you turn off this feature to release certain storage. Open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you click on background app refresh, so you have turn off. When slow power mode is turned on, background app refresh is disabled. So then third solution, you have force quit all apps. If the slow internet speed unavailable, please force quit all apps and then give your iPhone a break before the network can work normally again. Go to the home screen, swipe up to bottom of the screen, and you can see all your opened apps. Swipe up to one by one, clear them one by one from your iPhone, so you are while using the app. Then fourth solution, you have force restart your iPhone. If the problem is still existing, please try to force restart your iPhone to fix potential software glitches. As it is stated, iOS 17 comes with many annoying bugs that need to be fixed in the time. Force restarting your iPhone is considered to be a one useful solution to many included iOS problem. Therefore, if your internet is very slow, this method may work to help for these steps to force. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.